and Sandra. And also here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you will come back and visit again soon. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye now to our senior friends. Say goodbye now. Oh, by the way, guys, if you love to have some souvenir photos with our lovely bird, let's go! Yeehaw! About 1 o'clock, to see our friends is a great dance number. And another one to the friends as well, please. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with the new fun friends, the South American sea lions, Jenny and Sandra. And also hope that even after your day, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, so let us side by side. And the forward concept. Into the water falling. To listen and burn. Come on, Sandra. And they have our other folks to see our friends. Wait till ladies to got to the bed. And they asking for it. Alright, winners, after the race, what happens? So how do you get the balls? It's a ball pass. Careful, ladies. Almost there. He's set. Come on, Jenny, you can do it. Steady, yeah? Sense of touch. They will take her fibers, which make her and they also use their whiskers to aid navigation or to detect vibration from playing in the water. And their small external ears, say hi! Hi! Right on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. And the child, her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jerry, say hello.
Hello.
Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called pink or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their brown fingers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. Seagulls. The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed, since their fingers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they are very
Yay!
Yes, sayo ka na. Oh, galing. Oh, galing. Hey. Ang galing. Dance. Sayo na. Sayo. Oh, ang galing. Oh, ang galing. Kahit sinahan ko. Ang galing. Nak, labanan mo.
Ano yan?
Kuya Rish.
Bawal tumayo.
Wow! Wow!
By the way, my name is Jamie, and I would like to meet my C9 friends, together with the traders, one at a time. On the website, South American Sea Lion, and according to her trainer, she is the
Hello everyone, and welcome to Manila Ocean Park. All-Star Chloe.
To the left, to the right.
Okay, let's put it like here. Now let's call our silent bird. Dawson.
1, 2,
Dawson is our super bird that comes to
hey,
eat nuts,
hey.
fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and also longhorn. Now
Sumasayaw eh.
guys, do you think Dawson has a way to find this hidden object? Well, if yes, then say, you can do it, Dawson. Come on, Dawson. Find the hidden object for us.
Yeah. Aba. Wow, natingnan mo.
Bye-bye.
Now our next feature birds are just like the Battle Towers is the best of basketball game. But of course, followed by who? Instruments. So the girls will turn for Sassy. Come on,
Na,
girls.
tignan mo.
Let's hear it here. Sassy.
Ayun na, ayun.
Sassy. And how about the boys? So the boys will turn for Rocky. Come on, boys. Let's hear it here. Rocky.
Rocky!
Alright, so it's ready. Players, ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball, followed by Sassy and
Go, Rocky!
second ball for Rocky.
Rocky!
Rocky wins.
Ayun.
Wow.
Leader Becky, what can you say about that? You guys use this time.
Yay. Wow, tapang ni Nob.
Up close and learn more about their fashion life. Thank you.